Landslide in Himachal Pradesh, India. August 24, 2023. 7 buildings collapsed after heavy rains triggered landslides in Himachal Pradesh's Kullu district. When the ground slips from under your feet. Dramatic footage of a landslide sweeping through houses on India's Kullu Mandi highway in Himachal Pradesh was damaged by heavy rains in the district, an official said on Thursday. Hundreds of vehicles stuck in the lane. The meteorological department has issued a red alert warning of heavy to very heavy rains in 6 of Himachal Pradesh's 12 total districts. The Congress on Wednesday urged the central government to declare the destruction caused by the rains in Himachal Pradesh as a natural disaster.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, Allah Akbar, Allah Akbar,
Forest fire in Kanakal, Turkey. On Wednesday, August 23, 2023, the Kanakal area was hit by a larger forest fire. Firefighters are still struggling hard to extinguish forest fires in northwestern Turkey for the second day, thus triggering a mass evacuation and causing traffic through the nearby Dardanelles Strait to be temporarily suspended. Minister of Home Affairs Ali Yerlikaya revealed that around 1,200 people from 9 villages had been evacuated from the path of the fire. More than 100 cargo ships waiting to transit the Dardanelles Strait. The strait is closed until further notice so helicopters and other planes can take on the water to help fight the fires, shipping agency Tribeca said. The fires hit Kanakal province on Tuesday, exacerbated by high temperatures, dry air and strong winds. By Wednesday morning, the forest fire had spread to an area of 1,500 hectares, but had been contained but not completely controlled, said Turkish authorities. Television news footage showed the blaze engulfing a number of abandoned houses and billowing smoke over hills visible from residential areas. Helicopters and ground vehicles worked through the night to put out the fire, which said Health Minister Feratin Koca had injured 83 people. There were no casualties in this natural disaster. Floods in the Grand Canyon and Tucson, Arizona, United States, August 23, 2023. Massive flooding forced calls for shelter and evacuation in the villages of Grand Canyon and Tucson on Tuesday afternoon. Coconino County officials said the town was hit by flash flooding around 4 p.m. after 3 inches of rain fell in the area. U.S. Highway 64 was closed as water levels reached 3 feet in some areas. Tucson serves as the community gateway to the south rim of Grand Canyon National Park. A flood warning is in effect in the area through Wednesday. Students who attended school in Grand Canyon Village were also protected and then sent home.